So, good afternoon to everyone. I am Dr. J.D. Pardeshi, Assistant Professor from Department of English, and I welcome all the students and teachers in this program. It gives me immense pleasure to inform all of you that English department has organized this online lecture today. In this lecture, Dr. Mahelka Khan will be the resource person, and the Honorable Principal of our college, Dr. Ashok Pandit, will be the chairperson. Dr. Mahelka Khan will deliver her lecture on writing a review of films and literature. Before the start of the lecture, she will also inaugurate our film and literature club. Before proceeding our program, I would like to give information about our department in a nutshell. Our department organizes different kinds of activities throughout the year for the holistic development of the students. We have recently organized an essay competition as well as a letter writing competition. I feel glad to announce the names of the winners of this competition because it was a demand of the students to announce the names of the winners as they are eager to listen to the result of this competition. First of all, I announce the names of the winners of essay competition. This essay competition was held on the occasion of Savitribai Phule anniversary, and this essay competition was held at two levels, at junior college level as well as at senior college level. So first I will declare the names of those students who are the winners of this competition at junior college level. The first winner is Prerna Bhagwat Shirsat from 12th Arts. The second winner is Harshal Krishna Pathade from 11th Science. And the third winner is Shahista Razak Saukar from 11th Science. Now I declare the winners at senior college level. The first winner is Siddhi Anil Achilia from BCom first year. The second winner is Sheetal Rajeshwar Bachire from BSc second year. And the third winner is Gaurav Ashok Gadekar from BSc second year. So I congratulate all the winners for their success. We held another competition, that was the letter writing competition for the senior college students. And I am going to declare the names of the winners of this competition. So the first winner is Miss Namrata Motiram Bholane from BCom second year. And the second is Miss Vidya Ganesh Pathre. So these students will receive prizes in the form of dictionaries. And the students that I declared the names earlier will receive their certificates. So I request all the winners to collect their certificates and prizes whenever they get time. So I once again congratulate all the winners. Now, before proceeding forward, I would like to call the head of our department, Dr. Rupali Palotkar ma'am, to give a brief formal introduction of our department. So may I request Dr. Palotkar ma'am to give the introduction of the department.
Sir, turn off your audio. Pardeshi sir's audio. Yes, sir. So, ma'am is with us. Khan ma'am. Please, good afternoon, ma'am. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Good afternoon. Very good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon. So, good afternoon, everybody. First of all, I would like to welcome you all for this virtual platform. Hope all of you are doing well in this COVID-19 pandemic. And again, we started to meet online. And it's our first online program of this academic year. So Honorable Chairperson of this program, our Principal, Dr. Ashok Pandit sir, esteemed chief guest and inaugurator of this function, Dr. Melaka Khan ma'am, my colleagues, Dr. J.D. Pardesi sir, Dr. V.C. Shirke sir, Dr. Ishwani Raukar ma'am, and our officer, and my dear students from Yashwantrao Chavan College and from Dr. Rafiq Zakaria College from Women, Aurangabad. So today we have organized our inauguration of Film and Literature Club, and we are very fortunate that Dr. Khan ma'am is going to inaugurate this function, and she is also going to deliver her lecture on writing review of film and literature. In this COVID-19 pandemic, we saw lots of news, movies, and short films, but very few online classes. Attended very few online classes. There were only 2 to 3 students present in online classes. So the student present here are exceptional. They all attended regularly, but there were some students, those who were not attended classes, but they saw a lot of movies and news about COVID. And so I wanted to say that smartphone was one of the important engagement of our lives in this COVID-19 pandemic. And films, social media, TV are significant aspect of our life in this pandemic. And most of them are included, these films, as we saw on online platform, most of these were included in your course also. So we started this course. Since last few years, we formed Film and Literature Club in order to create interest among students about English literature through books, films, and short films. The second objective of this club is to develop the listening and reading ability in English. Third one is to teach student appreciation of literature. Fourth objective is to provide ebooks, links of films in this pandemic situation. And last one is to make learning experience more pleasant and fruitful. So these are some of the objectives of this club. Every year we show them various movies adapted from literature based on syllabus, and some are about social issues and great personality. But last year, due to this pandemic, we started a WhatsApp group named Film and Literature Club and provided some ebooks and links of movies. And in order to develop their interest and create reading habit. And respected sir, ma'am, I'm glad to say that we formed Film and Literature Club on 8th of January 2021, means 3 days before. And on 10th January, we shared a link of this group in our college, various college groups. And there were near about 45 members of this group, and we are getting huge response. This pandemic taught us lots of things. And in this year, we decided to move forward in an organized manner. We are going to share one book and a link of video every week, and decided to organize online meeting in every month. So let's hope these activities taken by our department will be very beneficial for developing their various skills in English, and also build up their positive attitude towards life. With this short remark, I'm going to stop here. And it's very interesting lecture by Khan ma'am waiting for you. I'm sure that it will prove very beneficial for you. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.
Thank you very much, madam, for your brief introduction of our department. I once again want to remind all the students as well as the resource person of this program that our department has been active from last 5 to 6 years. And in this pandemic situation, we have introduced this group by the name Film and Literature Club, so that students can get their study material at their home and they can study it at their home without coming to college. We have shared PDFs, then video links, ebooks, and short films also on this group. So it is indeed an useful activity for the students. So all the students who might have joined this program late, I would like to remind them that today we have organized an online lecture by Dr. Mahelka Khan. And Dr. Mahelka Khan will deliver a lecture on writing the review of film and literature. But before starting her lecture, the students may be eager to know about Mahelka Khan. They may be eager to know the introduction of today's resource person. So may I request my colleague, Dr. Vishnu Shelke, to give a brief and formal introduction of today's resource person, Dr. Mahelka Khan, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. It's a matter of pride for us that we have a distinguished guest, and I feel honored that I got the opportunity to introduce today's guest, Dr. Mahelka Khan, ma'am. Mahelka Khan, ma'am, is an assistant professor at Department of English in Dr. Rafiq Zakaria College for Women, Aurangabad. She has completed her Master of Philosophy from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathoda University, Aurangabad in 2008, and the topic of her MPhil degree was Remembering the Past, a case study of I.B. Singer's Sosha. In 2012, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathoda University, Aurangabad honored her with the doctoral degree in English literature. The topic of her PhD was Textuality and Gender, Women's Discourse on Post-Coloniality. Before joining Dr. Rafiq Zakaria College for Women as a full-time faculty, she has rendered her service as an assistant professor in English in Shiv Chhatrapati College, Vasantram Naik College, Sir Syed College of Arts, Commerce and Science, and Maulana Azad College, Aurangabad. Overall, she has 16 years of teaching experience. Apart from the teaching, she is a very influential personality in research field. She has published 16 research articles in various UGC care listed journals and guided as a research person in various national and state level seminars and conferences. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Shelke sir, for your brief introduction of today's resource person. From this resource person, the students might be aware that we have a very resourceful and intelligent resource person for today's lecture. I want to tell Dr. Mahelka Khan ma'am that we have created this group, that is Film and Literature Club, and all the teachers of the department are the admins of this group. As well as we have also added some of the students as student representatives on this group. So through this group, we have been sending students different PDFs, ebooks related with our syllabus. So Dr. Mahelka Khan ma'am will also inaugurate this Film and Literature Club during her lecture, and she will also deliver her lecture on the topic Review of Film and Literature. So I request Dr. Mahelka Khan ma'am to please proceed and start her lecture.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Before beginning my lecture, let me take this opportunity to thank Honorable Dr. A. Pandit sir, principal of the college, for inviting me to this webinar. I also wish to thank respected Dr. Rupali Palutkar ma'am, Head Department of English, and her colleagues in the department for arranging this online guest lecture on the topic writing book reviews and review of film and literature. So this is a good place where I can, or where young researchers like me can interact with all of you. I highly appreciate department, college, and especially Dr. Rupali Palutkar ma'am for her novel initiatives and encouragement. She keeps herself involved in research and dissemination activities and such knowledge-oriented programs. So thank you once again. And with the permission of chair, I hereby declare that the English Film and Literature Club is formally inaugurated. Congratulations to all of you, and my congratulations to all the young winners of the essay competitions and the different competitions which you organized earlier.
Thank you,
So,
ma'am. Thank you.
very good initiative, sir. So, dear student, this is a very nice opportunity for all of you to get accustomed, to get accumulated with the knowledge of English language and literature. Why English language and literature? Why we teachers or your teachers are making clubs and making you part of that club. So dear students, always remember that we as a teacher, we as your guardian wanted you to have lots of opportunities in your future. So as you know that English is a language of opportunity. English is a global language. What is global now? ये जो टर्म है ग्लोकल वो आपके लिए नया होगा, बट आपको ये समझना है कि इंग्लिश एक ऐसी लैंग्वेज है वो आप आपके लोकेलिटी में यूज कर सकते हैं और आप ग्लोबली भी यूज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो इंग्लिश एज अ लैंग्वेज ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज, English as a global language, this club or watching films from this club will definitely help you. Remember that you as a student of English language will always have opportunity to teach English. Apart from teaching English, you can also be a freelance writer. You can also be a personality developed teacher. You can also be a translator, because nowadays you can see that there's lots of local literature is being translated to English. अगर आप नेटिव लैंग्वेज के हैं जैसे मैं हूँ या आपके टीचर्स है, रूपाली मैम भी, आई थिंक शी इज फ्रॉम a native language. We completed our education in our native language. I am student of Urdu language. She is student of Marathi language. So learning English helped us to understand our language as well as a foreign language. So if you are a student of native language, आप मराठी सीख चुके हैं, now you can perform yourself as a translator. You can translate your literature into English literature. So this will also benefit you. And then you can also be an anchor, because I know lots of you wanted to focus or to be in front of social media. Okay? So you can also be an anchor. You can anchor such program. And I hope, respected head madam, that you can see the next webinar will be conducted by these students in English itself. They can do this because I know there is a lot of talent hidden in these students. So next program, you please invite me. I will come as a participant, but I want to see these students hosting the program. So you can be an anchor of such programs, so that indirectly will help you in your future.
Yes, definitely, ma'am.
Yes, this will be a great initiative. Then, as you know that there are lots of syllabus. I heard that there are lots of you from 12th standard. You must learn, you must have command over English language, because the future you have, whether it is in engineering or whether it is in medicine or whether it is in social sciences or humanities, all your curriculum is generally written in English. And in order to understand, in order to become very prominent in that particular field, you have to learn. And remember that we are learning English from 5th or 6th standard. I hope all of you are learning English from 5th or 6th standard. The one thing you must focus on that speaking in right now. आप 5-6 साल से सिर्फ सुनते ही आ रहे हैं. आपके लेक्चर्स सुनते हैं, न्यूज सुनते हैं, सॉन्ग सुनते होंगे बहुत सारे, फिल्म्स देखते होंगे बहुत सारे. तो लैंग्वेज जब तक अच्छी नहीं बनती जब तक आप उसको यूज ना करें, बिकॉज इट इज फॉर यूज. लैंग्वेज इज फॉर यूज, यू हैव टू यूज इट. And when you're using it, don't feel shy. Because I remember when I took admission in MA in university, like you, I was also a student of Urdu medium, and it takes courage to speak English with your friends. So how you will start with your friends? You start a basic wishes, congratulations उनको English में कीजिए, उनको सुबह सुबह good morning, good afternoon English में कीजिए. उसके साथ साथ फिर छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस इंग्लिश में बोलना शुरू कीजिए. Unless and until you will use it, you will not develop self-confidence. And remember, dear students, to speak English, you just need self-confidence. Confidence जरूरी है आपका. You don't shy away. It's at the end of the day, it is a foreign language. It is a language you wanted to have command over. If you're not using, आप साइकिल सिर्फ देखकर ही नहीं सीखते, आपको साइकिल चलाकर सीखनी पड़ती है. तो आप इंग्लिश सिर्फ सुन के ही सीख नहीं सकते, आपको यूज करना है. ठीक है, तो यूज इट as much as possible. Use small sentences. Let them speak. I know that when me and my friends started speaking in English, the other students used to make fun of us. And they used to think that we are being very we are showing off ourselves, show off kar rahe hain. So at 1 month they will have any objection. In 2nd month they will start joining you. They will join you in speaking because everybody here know the importance of English language. So use it so that you will have command over it. And right now, since I generally tell my student that you are the COVID batch, you are the one who have the most access to the social media. आपके क्लासेस ऑनलाइन हैं, आप व्हाट्सएप बहुत ज्यादा एक्सेस करते हैं, फेसबुक एक्सेस करते हैं, ट्विटर एक्सेस करते हैं. ये सब कौन सी लैंग्वेज में यूजुअली एक्सेस करते हैं? बेसिकली इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में एक्सेस करते हैं. तो सिर्फ आपको फॉर द सेक ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट ही यूज नहीं करना है, बट मेक इंग्लिश एज द सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, source of knowing the world, what is going on in the world. So I hope you will use it, and you'll try to make aware of the people or the people around you, even in your family, that whatever you're doing, it is for your own self. At the end of the day, having command over English language will benefits you. क्योंकि एक जनरल स्टडी है कि इन इंडिया की स्पेशली कि जो इंग्लिश अक्वायर करता है या जिसको इंग्लिश बोलनी आती है या जो थोड़ी बहुत बात करता है इंग्लिश में, वो ऑटोमेटिकली एक काइंड ऑफ he or she became a kind of a person who may have lots of opportunity, but it always help that individual to stand out. सबसे stand out होता है वो खुद को represent अच्छे से कर पाता है क्योंकि उसको पता होता है what he is speaking. And since it is a new language, you take a kind of initiative to learn it better. So always remember that छोटे छोटे proverbs याद करने हैं आपको, छोटे छोटे phrases याद करने हैं आपको, छोटी stories पढ़नी है आपको. ऐसा नहीं कि आपके teachers बोल रहे हैं या मैं बोल रही हूँ तो एक आज से ही आप बड़ी बड़ी novels पढ़ना शुरू करो. No, you have to start with the small initiative, with small sections of writing. And since we are talking about writing, this new syllabus, the topic was included in your first year, that is writing reviews of film and literature. So if you permit me, ma'am, may I share my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So I hope the screen is visible to all of you. Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So dear student, since we are talking about the new curriculum, the new syllabus, this particular topic is included in your first year English compulsory subject. This is for 10 marks, and this is part of your syllabus as a tutorial. So there are few texts which you have to study, and for that you have to perform in your exam, and this you have to make the review by your own self. So this is for 10 marks, as I have told you. So since, as Rupali madam told, that lots of you during this pandemic were busy in watching movies, you're busy in watching web series, you're busy in reading newspapers or different types of novels or dramas or stories or short stories, whether it is in your regional language or whether it is in English language. But when you have to make the book review or literary review, you have to make it in English language. So let us discuss what review is. So what is review? A review is a report on something you like or you don't like based on your opinion. अब क्या होता है रिव्यू में, आपको क्या करना पड़ता है कि आपके ओपिनियन उसमें आपको शेयर करना पड़ता है, ठीक है। अब आप ओपिनियन शेयर करेंगे, कैसे ओपिनियन शेयर करेंगे कि आप कहाँ गए। फॉर एग्जांपल आप रिव्यू कर सकते हैं, बुक रिव्यू, फिल्म रिव्यू कर सकते हैं, रेस्टोरेंट किसी का रिव्यू कर सकते हैं, या टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन का रिव्यू कर सकते हैं, या पार्क का रिव्यू कर सकते हैं, मॉल, शॉपिंग मॉल का रिव्यू कर सकते हैं, स्टोर का, आप जो ऑनलाइन गेम्स खेलते हैं उसका रिव्यू कर सकते हैं, या आप नया कोई टॉय करते हैं, खरीदते हैं, उसका रिव्यू करते हैं। क्यों जरूरी है? व्हाट इज द नीड ऑफ? so that you wanted to tell everyone whether you will recommend that for the other person or not. Understand? For example, if you visited a beautiful Bibi Ka Maqbara in Aurangabad, that is a tourist destination. Okay. So, and you went back to your place, and someone else wanted to go to Aurangabad or come to Aurangabad, and he is asking you कि आप गए थे वहां, कैसे लगा आपको, क्या क्या देखा आपने? तो आप कहेंगे ओके, you supposed to go to Bibi Ka Maqbara. Why? He will definitely ask why, what is important, what is very unique about it, instead of going to Panchakhi or the other historical places. Why? So यहाँ आपको आपके honest reviews, honest opinion देने पड़ते हैं. For example, आपने opinion दी है, opinion number 1, because it is a replica of Taj Mahal. ठीक है, this is your opinion. Then you have, in that opinion, you have to prove, or you have to make that person to think or to feel excited to visit that. तो एक ओपिनियन जरूरी नहीं है, 2-3 ओपिनियन भी दे सकते हैं, और उसके साथ साथ आप उसको रेकमेंड भी कर सकते हैं कि अपार्ट फ्रॉम द ऑल हिस्टोरिकल प्लेसेस आई गेव 5 out of 10 to Bibi Ka Maqbara. ठीक है, तो opinions and reviews or this kind of a suggestions are part and parcel of reviews. In your syllabus, you have a book review and a film review. So, what is book review? For example, आपने कोई एक बुक पढ़ी है, आपको BA फर्स्ट ईयर में अभी जो नई बुक है, एक नया ड्रामा है आपको, Merchant of Venice, written by Shakespeare. You have read it, and now you wanted to discuss this book with your juniors. आप सेकेंड ईयर में चले जाते हैं और आपको फर्स्ट ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स को बोलना है कि there are so many books, there are so many dramas by Shakespeare, but on my point of view, on my opinion, why Merchant of Venice is good for them to read or not. So book review क्या है? It is a thorough description, critical analysis or evaluation of a quality, then meaning and significance. तो किसी particular book का thorough detail में critical analysis करना. अब थॉरो और डिटेल क्रिटिकल एनालिसिस किस तरह करेंगे आप, वो हम नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में देखेंगे. अब व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फिल्म रिव्यू? इट इज अ वेल बैलेंस्ड मिक्सचर ऑफ पर्सनल ओपिनियन अबाउट द फिल्म एंड क्रिटिकल एनालिसिस ऑफ इट्स टेक्निकल एंड थीम एज वेल एज कंटेंट, जो कंटेंट होता है. तो रिमेंबर दैट whether it is book review or whether it is film review, you have to read book at least once to review it, or you have to see film at least once to review it. इसके बगैर अगर आप इस तरह का पढ़ते नहीं हैं, आपके बुक्स को पढ़ते नहीं हैं, फिल्म्स देखते नहीं हैं, तो आपके रिव्यू ऑथेंटिक नहीं होंगे, सिग्निफिकेंट नहीं होंगे. आप सामने वाले को ये कहेंगे कि नहीं, मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ बीबी का मकबरा जाना, और सामने वाला पूछेगा क्यों नहीं जाना, तो आप कहेंगे मैं खुद नहीं गया. नो, you have to be there, you have to read that, you have to see the film. If you are not watching the film, if you are not reading the books, this will not be any helpful. So this is a very great chance for you, since you have a film club. So watch as much as film possible and write review on it, because here you are not watching only for the entertainment. Understand, आपके teachers नहीं चाहते कि only you are coming and watching and they are sending links again and again. They wanted to develop a kind of a critical thinking in you. If you don't have any kind of a critical thinking related with that particular the piece of writing or the piece of a book you have, it will not help you. So let us see what film review is. So आपको बहुत सारे फिल्म्स देखे हैं आपने. कुछ फिल्म्स एक्शन होते हैं, कुछ कॉमेडी होते हैं, कुछ ड्रामा होते हैं, उसके बाद कुछ फैंटेसी होते हैं, कुछ हॉरर मूवीज होती है, मिस्ट्री होती है, रोमांस होता है, थ्रिलर होता है. तो when you are watching that particular film, you have to understand what genre, what type you are watching. कि आप कौन सा टाइप देख रहे हैं, कौन सा टाइप है जो आपको आपके सामने है. अगर ये कॉमेडी है, फॉर एग्जांपल मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस, जो कि फिल्म के उसमें भी है, और लेट अस टेक द इजीएस्ट एग्जांपल, दैट इज आई थिंक सैराट आप सबने देखी है, ठीक है. तो सैराट जब आपने देखी है, तो बिफोर व्हेन यू वॉच दिस फिल्म, यू ऑलवेज अंडरस्टैंड the type of film. Sairat is a social drama. And what is the purpose of that particular drama? कुछ films ऐसे होते हैं for the sake of entertainment होते हैं, but कुछ film ऐसे होते हैं जो masses में, especially young generation के लिए information का और thought provoking का काम करते हैं. तो जब आप फिल्म देख लेते हैं, उसका जानर समझ लेते हैं, तो उसके साथ आपको क्या समझना है कि इसका पर्पस क्या है. इसका पर्पस टू इन्फॉर्म है, टू एनालाइज है, टू कन्विंस है, और एंटरटेनमेंट है. किस तरह का आपका पर्पस क्या है, ठीक है. जब आप पर्पस भी समझ लेते हैं, देन यू हैव टू एनालाइज about the story, about the plot, about the character, whether the casting of the film is successful or not, or narrations of the film, technique कैसी है, narrative technique कैसी है. कुछ films ऐसे होते हैं जो बहुत क्या कहेंगे, past to present और present to past डील करते हैं. कुछ फिल्म्स ऐसे होते हैं जो प्रेजेंट से शुरू होते हैं और फिर स्टोरी लेकर जाती है आपको पास्ट में. तो यू हैव टू बी वेरी, रिमेंबर दैट व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग अ रिव्यू, you have to be very, very aware of these technical things, because what we have discussed, that film review is a combination of your own personal like and dislike as well as your critical thinking. ठीक है, critical thinking किस पे होनी चाहिए? टेक्निक पे होनी चाहिए. अगर आप ये कहते हैं कि भाई सैराट का म्यूजिक बहुत अच्छा है, तो आपको उस चीज का अवेयरनेस होना चाहिए. If you are not aware of the type of music they have, whether it is a very melody or whether it is something which is very hip hop, so if you don't know things, you may not be able to express your views related with that particular aspect. सो डायरेक्शन के बारे में भी आप बात कर सकते हैं, परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं, लोकेशन कैसा है. सिंस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सैराट, वी मस्ट नो दैट द सैराट इज समथिंग व्हिच इज filmed in a local areas. This film never takes you to the foreign destinations like Switzerland or somewhere which is not इन इंडिया. ठीक है, तो आपको लोकेशन का, रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस का बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान रखना है. ठीक है, देन द अदर इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट इज दैट टिप्स, ये जो स्पेसिफिक है इसमें, एज आई एम टेलिंग यू, आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग यू टू वॉच फिल्म एटलीस्ट वंस, एक बार देख लीजिए. Since why you have to watch? Because it will make you aware of the things. And second important thing, that it is always beneficial for you. ठीक है, so that when you are expressing your opinions, your reviews, you have to consider that your audience. अगर आपकी audience, आपको पता है, audience मतलब जो रीडर्स है, आपका रिव्यू पढ़ते हैं, या टीचर आपका रिव्यू पढ़ रहा है, तो एटलीस्ट उस तरह का आपको फॉर्मेट यूज करना है. तो आपको फिल्म एक बार देखनी है, आपको आपके ओपिनियंस प्रेजेंट करने हैं, और उसके साथ साथ आपको उस पर्टिकुलर फिल्म की बैकग्राउंड स्टोरी या एटलीस्ट एक्टर्स के पोर्टफोलियो कैसा, यानी एक्टर्स ने किस तरह का काम करते हैं, एक्शन किस तरह, whether they are stars who are generally are part and parcel of action films, or they are a romantic hero, or they are a comedy hero, what kind of what kind of a skills they have, what kind of a acting they are in, they are very famous with. So आप जब ये सब देख लेते हैं, always remember to call out directors. Tell your readers about highlights or misleads of directors. When you're talking, let me continue, sir.
Yes, madam.
So you always have to give call out or shout out, which means you have to at least acknowledge something which you like a lot. For example, आपको कॉस्ट्यूम्स पसंद आ सकते हैं, या फिर म्यूजिक पसंद आ सकती है, या फिर लोकेशन पसंद आ सकता है. तो यू कैन गिव अ शाउट आउट टू डायरेक्टर्स, बट रिमेंबर डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एट लास्ट there must be no spoilers. Now what is this spoilers? कि आपको बुक रिव्यू करते हुए या फिर फिल्म रिव्यू करते हुए उसका एंड सबको बताना नहीं है. क्यों नहीं बताना है? Because you want them to go, you want them to see movie. For example, when you are writing a review about Sairat, you can say that the ending of Sairat is very nice or very shocking. I highly recommend that all of you must go and watch. Indirectly आपने क्या किया है? एक तरह का सस्पेंस क्रिएट किया है, और उस सस्पेंस से आप चाहते हैं कि वो लोग भी जाकर फिल्म देखें. You should not say that what happened at the last. So don't get over excited and don't ruin the film or the book for them. So here I have already given example of a movie, Sairat. So this is the actual film review which you're supposed to see. So in film review, what you have to do, first of all, you have to write the title, review of Sairaj by yourself. You have to write the name. When you are doing that particular review, you have to mention the date, as well as you have to give a critical or critiques rating out of 5. How much points you supposed to give. उसके बाद फिर आपको ये बताना है कि जानर कौन सा है, ड्रामा है, रोमांस है, क्योंकि सैराट इट इज अ ड्रामा एंड रोमांस. It is directed by Nagaraj Manjure, and the cast you have to also mention, as well as you have to mention the film director. So these are the points you have to see very, very clearly. And whenever you're beginning your review, what you can do, that you can start with the end also, or you can start with the critical analysis or critical thinking related with Nagaraj Manjure's first film, Pendry, released in 2014. तो आप क्या कर रहे हैं, यहाँ डायरेक्ट सैराट से शुरू नहीं कर रहे, आप उसी डायरेक्टर की किसी पहली फिल्म से शुरू कर रहे हैं, और फिर उससे आप क्या कर रहे हैं, पास्ट से प्रेजेंट में आ रहे हैं और कह रहे हैं कि हाउ फंडरी and Sairaj are different genres or different stories altogether. So this is how you're supposed to write film review. Remember that these are the important points when you are writing. First of all, give a specific title, then always mention your rating, always mention what genre it is, always mention directors as well as cast. And at last, you also supposed to go ahead with recommendation. Whom do you want to recommend this particular story to? ठीक है. Now let us slightly discuss how to write book review. So while writing book review, you have to be a critic, you have to develop your insight, you have to evaluate your society. क्यों करना है ये सब आपको? Because literature is mirror of society. Whatever you have in your literature, whether it is a drama, or whether it is a poem, or whether it is a novel, it reflects society. So you have to offer a review as per genre or forms of literature. सो अगेन, जिस तरह आप ड्रामे में कहते हैं या मूवी में कहते हैं कि ये कौन सा जानर है, तो आपको यहाँ भी प्रोज है या वर्ड्स है उसके बारे में डिस्कस करना है कि ये नॉवेल है या पोएट्री है या फिक्शन है. whether it is subjective means related with the author itself, or objective, whether he is inspired from some incident or some important aspect of the life, whether it is narrative, lyrical, thematic, uska setting kaisa hai, tone kaisa hai, writer या पोएट या ड्रामाटिस्ट कौन सा मैसेज कन्वे करना चाह रहा है, ड्रामा है तो ट्रेजेडी है, कॉमेडी है, या क्या है. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट देयर आर various genres and you can explore various genres through your review. So whenever you are writing a review, always remember that there are 4 specific important stages in writing book review. First of all, you have to introduce the book. You have to write the name of the book. You have to write the name of the author. You have to write the publication house as well as price and pages के बुक का नाम क्या है, ऑथर का नाम क्या है, कब पब्लिश हुई है वो बुक, उसके प्राइस कितना है और उसके पेजेस कितने हैं. और ये जब आप एक मोटा कंस्ट्रक्शन ऊपर बना लोगे, एक स्पेसिफिक स्ट्रक्चर बना लोगे, फिर आपको आउटलाइन जो है पर्पस और टाइप में क्या है, धीरे धीरे आपको उस पर जाना है. सो always remember, whether you are writing a book review or film review, you are supposed to write at least 3 to 4 short paragraphs because it is for 10 marks. आपके writing के ही marks मिलेंगे. और अगर आप outline start करेंगे तो outline में आपका purpose और type लिखिए, और उसके साथ साथ how you supposed to write outline, at least write about the story. or about the characters, or summarize the story related with of that particular book. So highlight the specific parts, specific characters, or specific act or scene or chapter or plot or theme or even setting. So in the second paragraph, you can highlight what you like, what is your favorite aspect of the book, which character you like a lot. और फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम जिस तरह डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि फर्स्ट ईयर में आपको मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस है, तो आई कैन डिस्कस दैट पोर्शिया इज वन ऑफ द फेवरेट कैरेक्टर of mine, apart from all the characters made by or presented by Shakespeare. She is the perfect example of intelligent woman of that particular point of a time. So if you're giving that this particular chapter is my favorite chapter, to give reason. If you're not giving reasons, that opinion is not valid. तो आपका ओपिनियन जो है उसको रीजन होना चाहिए, आपके रिकमेंडेशंस जो है उसको रीजन होना चाहिए। आप सिर्फ ओपिनियन दे रहे हैं और आप उसको स्पेसिफिक रीजन नहीं दे रहे हैं, तो वो उतना ऑथेंटिक नहीं होगा और आप इस तरह रिव्यू नहीं कर पाएंगे, ठीक है। एंड देन इफ यू at last you have to give a detailed evaluation, again rating and recommendation. For example, if you say that I give 5 stars to the drama Merchant of Venice, and I highly recommend all the young students who are interested in literature, especially literature of Elizabethan time, they should read this drama. तो इस तरह की रिकमेंडेशन आपको देनी ही देनी है। तो ओपिनियन होगा आपका, रिकमेंडेशंस होंगे, सजेशंस होंगे, बट व्हाई, क्यों दे रहे हैं वो भी बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस रखता है। सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द रिव्यू व्हिच इज रिटन बाय मी, Jhumpa Lahiri's Lowland. As you can see, the first particular line is about the writer and the work which I am about to review, and then my name as well as the another detail, the book, the title of the book, the name of the author, the type of the book, the price is already mentioned, the page is mentioned, the publisher is mentioned, and when this book is particularly published in 2013. So this is how you're supposed to write a review, and this is how I sum up at last what I have said, that I sum up in the novel the lowland, the character like Subhash and other suffer because of their cultural differences, because of their ideology. और फिर लास्ट में मैंने क्या लिखा है देखिए, I highly recommend for the young scholars to read, especially one who are interested in diasporic writing. So this एक रिकमेंडेशन के बाद, आपकी पर्सनल चॉइस के बाद रिकमेंडेशन आता है, और रिकमेंडेशन के बाद आप जिसको रिकमेंड करते हैं उसका उनका रेफरेंस भी आए, तो ये इट इज गुड फॉर यू, बिकॉज देन एंड देन यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि आपने क्या किया है, थॉरो रीड किया है, बहुत डिटेल में इवैल्यूएट किया है, और आप रिकमेंड भी किसको करते हैं, one who is interested in that specific genres. So this is how you're supposed to write films, reviews of the films and book. Again, if you have any problem related with this, feel free to ask. This is how I wanted to conclude. Thank you once again.
Thank you very much, madam, for your inspirational and informative speech in a very lucid and simple language. So madam expressed her views on how to write reviews of not only of films and books. So while giving tips upon how to write the review of a film, she gave good examples and showed us how to write a review. She chose the example of Marathi movie Sairat, and while telling us how to write the review on a book, she showed us the example of Jhumpa Lahiri's book Lowland. So madam, your tips on how to write review of books and films will be very useful for our students also. So we are really indebted to you on behalf of our department. And I also appeal to all the students to take the suggestions given by madam very seriously and carefully, so that they can write a very good review. So thank you very much, madam. Thank you once again.
Pleasure is all
And-
mine, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. So now the chairperson of this program, the principal of our college, Dr. Ashok Pandit, who has been listening to your lecture very carefully. He also wants to share his thoughts and provide some guidance to our students also. So may I request the chairperson of this program, Principal Dr. Ashok Pandit sir, to express his thoughts. The chairperson of this function is again within us. So I request Dr. Pandit sir to express his thoughts and guide our students. Please proceed, sir.
Okay.
You are visible.
Am I audible, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. Now today our Department of English has organized a writing view of film and literature, a guest lecture of Dr. Mahalika Khan from Assistant Professor in Dr. Rafiq Zakaria College for Women, Aurangabad. Now, yesterday, our Department of English has organized one activity for the 10th standard student also. And 3 years ago, this department was shown a short film for the literature students also. Our English department is organizing various activities for the faculties also. Now, this department, now all of you know that we are facing the pandemic situation of COVID-19. And during this situation, all those faculties, teachers are familiar with the online lectures. Yeah. And now from yesterday, all the senior college lectures offline lectures has been stopped. During this COVID-19 situation, Mahalika Khan madam also has expressed that we are viewing the WhatsApp various films during the pandemic period. Now, generally, we should have to learn that we should have to learn something from the nature. Generally, we did not learn the lesson nature wants to teach us. Yeah, and the today's lecture of Khan madam, that the review is nothing but just an opinion. She also has expressed that review means an opinion, but that is the firm opinion. Many times some people did not give their opinion. Why? Because they are not firm with their views. They are not firm with their views. And so, madam told us that whenever we have to give a review of any destination, review of any book, review of any film, then at that time, we should have to gone through so many times. Whenever we have... Hello? Am I audible, all of us? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Whenever we have to give your firm opinion, then for that we should be confident about that. And so whenever a book reviewer is not a work of a general person. Particularly to give a review, it should be he or she should be an expertise in that, giving his review. And I think this today's lecture of Khan madam should be very much fruitful for our students. Around 80 students, participants participated in this today's online a lecture of Khan Madam, and during this pandemic situation, all of our teacher community should have to organize various this activity and should take the care of our student or cater their all the needs. With these few words, I will again like to congratulate Dr. Khan Madam and our English department, particularly Palodkar ma'am, Pardesi sir, Shelke sir. They are organized various activities for the students and taking the care of the students. Okay, thanks, madam.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for your words of appreciation. And I would like to tell you that without your moral support and encouragement, we could not have been able to organize such kind of activities. I want to point out that our principal is always there to give us moral support whenever needed. They are always with us and they provide us every kind of facility to organize such kind of programs. So it is indeed to listen to such kind words from our principal. So thank you very much, sir, for your encouragement. And now we are heading towards the last part of this program, that is a vote of thanks. So may I now kindly request my colleague, Dr. Tejasvi Lavkar, to propose a vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir, for giving me an opportunity to cast vote of thanks. First of all, I extend my most sincere gratitude to today's chief guest, Dr. Mehelka Khan ma'am, for inaugurating Film and Literature Club and giving valuable guidance on writing review of film and literature. Ma'am, your valuable guidance will prove helpful for the students in developing their writing skills. Once again, thank you, ma'am. I am also thankful to principal of our college, Dr. Pandit sir, for being a source of our constant inspiration. I am immensely thankful to head of our department, Srimati Dr. Palodkar ma'am, for bringing her new innovative ideas into reality. It is only due to of the Palodkar ma'am, the students of our college got the opportunity to have such an eminent guest and her valuable guidance. Thank you, ma'am. I am also grateful to the colleagues from our department, Dr. Pardesi sir, Dr. Shelke sir, Dr. Maknikar sir, Dr. Pise sir, and our technical supporter, Dr. Kakade sir. Thank you, sir. I am thankful to everyone who has directly or indirectly contributed for the success of this program. I am also thankful to the students from various streams.